The truth about hard inquiries. Do they hurt your score? You finally applied for that new credit card or loan you've been waiting for, and suddenly, you notice a drop in your credit score. Sounds familiar, right? That's because of something called a hard inquiry, one of the most misunderstood parts of credit scoring. If you've ever wondered, do hard inquiries actually hurt your score? How many are too many? How long do they stay on your credit report? And most importantly, how can you protect your credit while still getting approved for credit cards, loans, or mortgages? Then stick around, because in this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about hard inquiries. In simple, clear language, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to manage them, avoid unnecessary score drops, and keep your credit in excellent shape. Part 1. What exactly are hard inquiries? Let's start with the basics. When you apply for a new credit product, like a credit card, auto loan, mortgage, or even some personal loans, the lender checks your credit report to see if you're a reliable borrower. This check is called an inquiry, but there are two main types. Soft inquiries. These happen when someone checks your credit, but you're not applying for new credit. Examples: checking your own credit score, pre-approval offers from banks. Two hard inquiries. These happen when you apply for new credit, and a lender pulls your full credit report. Examples: applying for a new credit card, getting an auto loan. Hard inquiries do affect your score, but not as much as most people think. Here's the key. A single hard inquiry usually lowers your score by about 3 to 5 points. That's it. Part 2. How much do hard inquiries really hurt? A lot of people panic when they see hard inquiries on their credit report. But the truth is, hard inquiries are not as scary as they seem. Here's why. Hard inquiries make up only 10% of your FICO credit score calculation. The biggest factors are payment history, 35%, credit utilization, 30%, length of credit history, 15%, credit mix, 10%, hard inquiries and new credit, 10%. That means, if you pay your bills on time and keep your balances low, hard inquiries won't make a huge difference. Key takeaway: hard inquiries hurt, but only a little and only temporarily. Part 3. Hard inquiries versus soft inquiries. Now let's make this crystal clear with a quick comparison chart. Feature: soft inquiry, hard inquiry. Happens when you or someone else checks your credit for non-lending reasons. You apply for new credit. Examples: checking your own score, job background check, pre-approval offers, new credit card, mortgage, personal loan. Check on score, no impact, temporary drop, 3 to 5 points. Visible to lenders, no yes. Stays on report, not recorded, up to 2 years. Pro tip: checking your own score never hurts your credit, so don't be afraid to monitor your reports regularly. Part 4. Myths versus facts about hard inquiries. There are so many myths about hard inquiries. Let's bust them one by one. Myth 1. One hard inquiry destroys your credit score. Fact: a single inquiry only costs 3 to 5 points and recovers within a few months. Myth 2. Multiple inquiries mean automatic rejection. Fact: that's not true. Lenders care more about your overall credit health than a few inquiries. Myth 3. Checking your own credit hurts your score. Fact: false. Self-checking is a soft inquiry and has zero impact. Myth 4. Hard inquiries stay on your report forever. Myth 5. Applying for loans and credit cards is bad. Part 5. When multiple hard inquiries are okay. Here's something most people don't know. If you're shopping for a mortgage, auto loan, or student loan, credit scoring models treat multiple inquiries within a short window as one inquiry. This is called rate shopping. Part 6. How long do hard inquiries stay on your report? Hard inquiries remain visible for 24 months, but they only affect your score for the first 12 months. After 12 months, they don't impact your score at all, even though they're still listed. Example: if you applied for a credit card in August 2024, by August 2025, that inquiry no longer affects your score, but it'll still show up until August 2026. Part 7. How to minimize the impact of hard inquiries. 32 SOR 39 NAR. Here are 7 expert tips to protect your credit. 1. Only apply when you need to. Don't apply for every credit card or loan you see. Be strategic. Do space out applications. Try to wait 6 months between new credit applications. 3. Use pre-approval tools. Many credit card issuers let you check pre-approval with only a soft inquiry. Monitor your credit regularly. Use free tools like Credit Karma or Experian to track changes. Focus on the big factors. Payment history and credit utilization matter way more than inquiries. 6. Rate shop smartly. Bundle your mortgage, auto loan, or student loan applications within 14-45 days. 7. Dispute errors. If you find a hard inquiry you didn't authorize, dispute it immediately with the credit bureau. Part 8. Final takeaways. Hard inquiries are not evil. A single inquiry, temporary 3-5-point drop. Multiple inquiries over time, slightly bigger impact, but recoverable. Focus on-time payments and low utilization. They matter far more than inquiries. Always check pre-approvals before applying. And most importantly, be strategic with credit applications. If you enjoy the video, subscribe and hit the bell icon on for more videos.